Ever found yourself eyeing that must-have item, but your wallet's feeling a little shy? We've all been there. Maybe it's those killer sneakers, the perfect dress for your bestie's party, or that new tech gadget you've been dreaming about. And then you think, if only there was a way to snag it now and pay later. Well, guess what? You might have heard whispers about buy now, pay later services like Zip Pay, and you're probably wondering, can I use Zip Pay for in-store purchases? That's exactly what we're diving into today. Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today, we're tackling a question we get asked a lot. Can you use Zip Pay when you're actually out shopping, brick-and-mortar style? Because let's face it, online shopping is great, but sometimes you just gotta feel the fabric, try on the shoes, or see the item in person before you commit. So, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. The short answer is, sometimes, yes. But, like most things in life, there's a little more to the story. Zip Pay is a digital payment service that lets you make purchases and pay them off in installments. Think of it like a modern-day layaway, but you get to take your goodies home right away. Instead of paying the whole amount up front, you split it into smaller, more manageable chunks. Now, here's the catch with using Zip Pay in physical stores. It's not as universally accepted as, say, swiping your debit card. Whether you can use Zip Pay in-store depends entirely on whether the specific store you're shopping at has partnered with Zip Pay. Think of it like this, not every shop accepts every type of credit card. Some might take Visa but not MasterCard, or vice versa. Zip Pay works in a similar way. They need to have an agreement with the store to allow their customers to use Zip Pay at the checkout. So, how do you find out if your favorite store is on the Zip Pay train? Great question. There are a few ways to crack this code. First, the most obvious method is to simply ask. When you're in the store, or even before you go, give them a quick call or check their website. Most stores will proudly advertise if they offer Zip Pay as a payment option. Look for signs near the registers or check their online FAQs. If they're partnered up, they'll usually shout it from the rooftops. Another clever trick is to check the Zip Pay app itself. Often, the app will have a directory or a map feature that shows you which stores in your area accept Zip Pay. It's like a treasure map for savvy shoppers. Just fire up the app, do a quick search, and you'll instantly know which stores are Zip Pay friendly. Now, let's say you find a store that does accept Zip Pay. Awesome! How does it actually work at the checkout? Typically, the process is pretty smooth. When you're ready to pay, let the cashier know you want to use Zip Pay. They might need to scan a barcode or enter some information into their system. You'll then use your phone to log into your Zip Pay account and confirm the purchase. It's usually a quick and painless process. But remember, even if a store accepts Zip Pay, there might be some specific terms and conditions. For instance, there might be a minimum purchase amount to use Zip Pay, or certain items might be excluded from buy now pay later plans. Always double-check these details with the store staff or on the Zip Pay app to avoid any surprises at the register. Now, you might be thinking, why doesn't every store just accept Zip Pay? Well, there are a few reasons. For businesses, partnering with a service like Zip Pay involves certain fees and agreements. It's a business decision each store makes based on its own circumstances. For shoppers, using Zip Pay can be a really convenient way to manage your budget and spread out the cost of bigger purchases. It can be especially helpful for those unexpected expenses or when you need something urgently but don't want to drain your bank account all at once. However, it's also super important to be responsible with buy now pay later services. Always make sure you understand the repayment schedule and the terms and conditions. Missing payments can lead to late fees, which nobody wants. Think of Zip Pay as a helpful tool, but use it wisely and always within your budget. So, to wrap it all up, can you use Zip Pay for in-store purchases? The answer is a qualified yes. It depends entirely on whether the store you're shopping at has partnered with Zip Pay. Check the store's website, ask the staff, or use the Zip Pay app to find participating stores near you. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.